Our factory differential covers on our 2008 JK have been beaten up on the trail over the years, so today we're going to replace them with some help from ARB. If you're looking to protect the differential of your JK Wrangler, then today we're going to be installing this Dana 44 heavy-duty differential cover from ARB onto our 08 JK Wrangler. This ARB differential cover features a nodular iron construction with a durable red powder coat to ensure that you'll be able to see where you hit it off the rocks. The construction has been computer optimized to add cross-brace strength to more than 960 foot-pounds of torsional rigidity to the entire rear axle. It's going to fit your rear Dana 44 axle, and also if you've got a Rubicon, it'll fit your front Dana 44 axle. With that being said, let's get it installed on our JK Wrangler and see how it turns out. Tools we need for this installation: 3/8 inch ratchet, 1/2 inch socket, 1/4 inch Allen key, 8mm Allen key, small extension, gasket scraper or a razor blade, and possibly a rubber mallet. As you can see, we've got our Jeep up in the air. It's on a lift. Now you can do this on the ground. It's really not that hard. You can still leave your wheels and tires on. However, we've got it up on the lift. It makes it a little bit easier for you guys to see what we're doing. Got a drain pan underneath the differential. This is really important because gear oil really stinks and you don't want it all over your driveway, your garage, or wherever you're working. We're going to start with a 1/2 inch socket and go around and loosen up all these bolts. Now before I remove those top bolts, I'm going to make sure that this lower part is cracked and all the gear oil comes out. So let's go around and get those pulled off. If you have a little trouble like we do getting it off, you're gonna wanna use a rubber mallet to tap it a little bit and see if that helps. Honestly, I think the seal's been on here for a long time. This is a 2008. So it's really old. You can see it's kind of rusty underneath here. I don't know if the fluid's been changed. We just got the Jeep about a year ago. So we're gonna tap on it, see what happens. There we go. And as you can see, that fluid looks extremely black and not that good. Best place for this factory differential cover is going to be right in the trash. So that's what we're going to do now. Make sure that you clean off all the old gasket residue. If you don't do this, you're not going to get a good seal for your new differential cover. So we've got this little tool here. You can use a flat razor or anything like that and just get it cleaned off. I'm going to clean this lower part off with a little bit of brake clean. Get our ring gear a little bit clean, our carrier. We're gonna put some RTV on the back of the differential cover before we put it on. Show you how to do that. All right, cover's got some RTV. I'll let that set up for about 5 minutes and we'll get it thrown onto the Jeep. Time to put the differential cover on. Do this nice and slowly. Make sure the holes line up. And then hold it with one hand. Get the bolt started. Don't use the long bolts besides the outer ones here. If those two are on, I'll get the rest of the bolts. Long bolts go here and here. So you can see it's cast out a little bit longer. They'll go on the outside. Get them all nice and tight. Don't over tighten them. After you get them all tight, we'll put in that lower drain plug. This ARB differential cover comes with a magnetic lower drain plug. This is going to catch any debris that's floating around inside here. Get it installed with an 8mm socket. As you can see, that magnet's pretty strong, so just get it in the hole and get it tightened up. Make sure you do this before filling it with fluid too, I might add. Use the same 8mm Allen key into the fill plug, get that pulled off. Then we're going to add 2 quarts of 80 weight 90 gear oil into it. Put the fill plug in, we'll get it tightened up, and our install will be complete. The differential cover on our JK Wrangler is complete, and as you can see, ARB is completely classed up the rear end. Looks really nice. The install time takes about an hour, and honestly, you can do it with basic hand tools. You can also find a matching front differential cover as well as a blacked out version if you're looking for that more incognito look. You can find everything we talked about today right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.